What's your name anyway? Are you crabby? Are you crabby? Are you? What are you doing?
Hello.
Hello. Good to see you. Hey, Crabby, do you eat crabs? What?
Why are you hanging?
You're hanging off by your beak. I knew a bird like you. Yeah, he got cooked though. Yeah, he did. He was a meal. What do you think about that? Oh, here we go. Are you hiding or what? Don't you have anything to say to me? Say something. What? What does that mean?
Hello.
You got fleas. You take care, Crabby, okay? You old crab. You know where you live, right? You live right here. Welcome to Crabs. Okay, we'll see you guys. Take care. Say goodbye. No goodbye. What are you doing? Bye-bye. See ya. Take care.